Hey guys, welcome back to S&S RC Plane. Today we got a cool one. We got a Deer RC amphibious airplane. It's supposed to be able to go like a boat, take off the water, fly like an airplane. It's supposed to be able to take off on regular ground, grass, snow, what have you. So this thing looks pretty cool. So what do we got? Alright, we got instruction manual. It's in English. Good pictures. Looks pretty good. And it's got Chinese. Alright. What we got? That's what you get in the box. Now this is a 3-channel plane, I believe. It's going to have just elevator, and then the turn left and right, you'll have differential thrust. I believe the battery will go in here. Look at this. This is that's pretty nice, actually. It's not bad. I thought it'd be a little cheaper. It's got a rod across it, carbon fiber rod for support. I don't know how that thing flies, but we're gonna find out. So, what else we get in the box? Oh, look at that. We got 2 batteries. These are JST plug. Simple enough. And I believe that says 800 milliamp. 1S 800 milliamp for the JST plug. You get 2 of them. What else we got? You get a screwdriver, Philip said. These are always handy. USB charging plug. And 2 spare propellers. And a little tool to pop the propellers off. That's nice. Alright. And where's the remote? Let's see. Oh, here's the remote. It's actually not that bad. I thought it'd be a lot cheaper. Not bad at all. It's got trim, left and right trim, on off. Oh, it's got up and down elevator trim. So you're just going to have your power on and off, and left and right is differential, and you're up and down. No rudder or ailerons on this. Should be simple enough. Let's put some batteries in it and see how she goes. Well, I need a screwdriver for this. I'm assuming this is the battery door here. Oh, GST. Got the battery. Guys, make sure you subscribe. We're going to be doing some good stuff. And we're going to have a giveaway at 1,500 subscribers. So you don't want to miss out on that. When we get a little closer to the 1,500 subscribers, we'll lay out the rules of the contest. So let's see what this takes for batteries. If there's anything you guys want to see, you know, bleep bloop it down in the comments below, and maybe I'll see if we can get it together and do it for you. So 3 AAA, see. Okay, we'll put the battery in the plane or boat, whatever you want to call it. This thing's got to be pretty neat. Black to black, red to red. Plug that in. Got it in there though. Tighten that up with my flight test screwdriver. Alright. Let's see, is there an on and off switch? That right there is an on-off button. Doesn't look like a button, but it is. So I'll turn this on first, click it, and then you see the red light flashing in there. Then we'll turn the remote on, bring it all the way up, power, bring it all the way back down, and now the red light's set. Oh, and then we got, you can hear it, it does have a gyro. So elevator works. Oh, that's pretty powerful. All right, well, let's take it outside and give it a test, guys, huh? All right, guys, we're going to try this. We're outside. There's a 5-mile-an-hour wind, so I don't know. We'll turn on the plane, turn on the controller. It seems to be armed. We'll have to hand toss it. It's really made for the water, so we'll hand toss it. Hopefully. Not much of a spot to grab this. So we'll just send it. Oh, and a crash. Let's try that again. I can't see them damn branches. All right, let's try it again, guys. Gotta watch the branches. Into the house. All right, guys, we'll give it a try again. This thing is not made for out here. Oh, not in this little area. Now I'm stuck in a tree. Well, guys, they make these things, they sell them on Amazon. I got this a few years ago. It's a bean bag with a rope, and let me tell you something, they work great to get your airplane out of a tree. So, I mean, I'm in a little tiny area, but all this thing wanted to seem to do was do like alpha. So, I believe you can see that. So let's see if we can get it out of the tree. All right. Thank God for the beanbag rope, or it be there the rest of the winter. Yeah. So far I would call this an epic fail, but I should be at the lake with it though. And I'll be back in a minute so I can untie all this rope. Okay, guys, well, it's out of the tree. The beanbag rope worked. Fortunately, I didn't record it. Even though I tried, you would have laughed your asses off. Let's try this one more time. Glutton for punishment here. All right. So we'll turn on the plane. Plane's blinking. Turn on the controller. Okay. And let's give it a whirl. One more time. Why not? Way too small of an area. It just wants to do like a high alpha. Yeah, it doesn't turn very good. The differential thrust is not differentialing. All right, we'll try it for a third, fourth, fifth time. I don't know. One more time, we'll try the differential thrust. Yeah, you need a very big area. It's not turning very well. Probably need to be out on a lake or a small pond. Then you'll be able to turn better and turn the throttle up and down, because it just wants to do like a high alpha. There's no wings on it. So I would call this maybe fun on the lake. We'll have to find out when the lake melts. But as of right now in the yard, epic fail.